WhatsApp have released a recently new feature to iOS and also to Android. That new feature is stickers. Not only am I going to show you how to use this sticker option, but also I'm going to show you how to download it and get it set up. So if this is something that you're interested in, then stay tuned to this video. Now for this tutorial purpose, I'm using the Gboard Keyboard. So if you haven't got that downloaded already, then go ahead and get that downloaded onto your phone because it makes it so much easier. Okay, so now we are ready to rock and roll. Let's open up WhatsApp, and then on your keyboard you'll see the little arrow. Tap on that arrow. Now what you want to do is tap on the sticker icon. In here you will see the preloaded stickers that already are there within WhatsApp, and as you can see there's a lot to choose between. If you want to find more stickers, tap on the plus button, and as you scroll through the sticker collections you can see that there are quite a lot of collections that you can choose. This is a fun way to communicate with your friends and family. So if you do want to download more stickers, then I will show you just how to do that right now. So scroll down to the bottom and tap on more. Now you can see this automatically brings you to the Google Play Store. There are so many different sticker packs that you can choose between. I've decided to choose the Power Rangers, so let's get that installed onto our phone. Now let's open up the application, and what you're going to look for is share stickers. Once you've tapped that, then tap tutorial. Once you tap on tutorial, this will set it up to automatically show up in your WhatsApp sticker option. So now that we're back on WhatsApp, I'm going to tap on my sticker option, and as you can see there are the Power Ranger stickers. So you can see that that was very easy to do, and now you can send these stickers to your friends and to your family. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, you have been watching and listening to Supreme Guru. Peace.